Interested in the word dushi? This video teaches you what it is. Ever been to the ABC Islands? Are you on the ABC Islands? Dushi is a word that is often used around this area of the world. It is a Papiamento word that means delicious, good, good-looking, or great. Basically, you can use it for everything, like a dushi day, a dushi meal, a dushi person, or just something that feels dushi. But beware calling someone from the opposite sex dushi. After all, you will be calling them delicious. Enjoyed this video? Make sure to write in the comments and let us know what you want to learn next about vacationing in Curacao. Also, make sure to subscribe to our mailing list by clicking the link below. You will receive updates on the videos and everything you need to know about vacationing in Curacao. Thanks for watching!